Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Proscenic M7 Pro robot vacuum and you need to do a hard reset on it. Now you might need to do this hard reset for a variety of reasons. If it is not connecting to Wi-Fi or not syncing with the app, or if you have other issues like it will not charge or it's not working correctly, any kind of troubleshooting can very often be fixed with a hard reset. Now once you do this, you will have to set it back up, but if you're ready to do it, it's quite simple. As you can see here, on the side, on these little grills here, there's a hole here with a little arrow, and it says reset. So you'll just need a paper clip or a pin of some sort. Just make sure it's not too sharp. Those iPhone SIM ejector pins work really well. So you're just going to put it in here and hold it for a couple of seconds, and that will initiate a reset of your vacuum. Once the reset is complete, you can turn it back on and set it back up, with any settings and connect it and sync it to whatever you want.